Week number 3, guys. This is the 3rd week that we are doing Sneaker Mystery Box Fridays. I don't know how the heck I'm keeping up with this consistency, but that is 3 weeks in a row. We only got 49 more weeks to make it a whole year, so stick with me on that. Anyway, today's box is going to be a really special one because this one is a very high tier box. You guys are currently looking at a $2,850 sneaker mystery box from SoulSteals.com. $2,850. I'm super pumped over this. It's going to be a top 5 episode all time. I know it already, guys. Week number 3, it's going to be a lucky week. So if you guys are interested in the $2,850 sneaker mystery box, then stay tuned. That is coming up right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untitled Warrior here, coming at you with another video. In this video, we have a huge beater box, guys. $2,850, $2,850. This beater box does come to us from SoulSteals.com, not Soul Supremacy, Soul Steals. Soul Steals is basically like an entity of Soul Supremacy, so they're kind of connected. Soul Steals is the membership website side of Soul Supremacy though. So basically what you do is you pay $19.99 a month for the opportunity to buy a lot of hype shoes for a lot less. We did a lot of hype beast mystery boxes from Soul Steals in the past, and they also just started selling beater boxes on their website too, which is huge for you guys because previously on Soul Supremacy you do need to be a member as well, but those memberships are very limited. Where Soul Steals is not limited, it's open to anybody that has a Soul Steals membership, and you guys are able to create a membership whenever you want, 24/7 throughout the years. So that's the flip side of that, and they have been putting beater boxes on there. It's in more limited quantities, and it seems like it's like every other week or so. But I mean, if that's like your only chance to get like these boxes that you know are legit, because we've seen companies that aren't legit. Soul Steals is legit, so that's why I highly recommend checking them out. This is gonna be my first beater box from Soul Steals though, so fingers crossed. I might have just been hyping this up for no reason at all. Who knows? Anyway, this video is not sponsored. I need to say this every single time now because I still see 3 years later people saying, okay, he's getting hooked up from these companies. Clearly I'm not, because I got screwed over many times. One in a really big box recently, so you guys should know it's what it is, man. I've just been getting, it's like a luck of the draw kind of thing. So that's what we're gonna be looking at today, guys. $2,850. Enough said. Let's get into it. It's even packed differently than like a Soul Supremacy box. Alright, so the first shoe out looks like a pair of Lebron Tens. Is this the 10s or the 11s? I can't remember. This is actually the first model of Lebrons I had, and I don't even remember what it is. This one is in a size 11 though. I have no idea what the colorway is, man, but you guys can check it out over here. Lebron model, it is used. You guys can see over here, there's like a little like etching on the back heel. I think this is the way that you guys can tell like what the colorway is. I have no idea what little lightning bolts and stuff mean for this shoe though, so it is what it is. I don't think this is hyped, so I'm guessing maybe like $100 on the counter. We gotta see. I do want to mention, if you guys do like any of these shoes and you guys want to purchase them, most of the time every single shoe will be on untitledhawaii.com. If you guys don't see a shoe on there, then it's probably been sold, or it's going to be dropped in the channel members only drop. So those are the secret drops that I do for channel members, the people that click join under the videos. I'm going to start doing a preview page for you guys, but basically what we're going to be doing is dropping hype shoes for free or for very big discounts. So like for instance, I'm dropping like a Yeezy Clay for like $120 or something. I'm also gonna be dropping like Yeezy 500 blushes for like $100. So that's what you guys can expect on the channel memberships. That's all a give back to you guys. So yeah, you guys can check that out if you guys want as well. So I think I see one more shoe without a box over here. This one is a pair of Yeezy blue tints though, and is this in dead stock condition? I mean, the tags are still on, so it might be. What size do we have here, though? This one is in a size 11. Okay, so I think this is a size 11 dead stock Yeezy. Yeezy blue tint. Obviously, it doesn't have the box, but you guys can see it does look like it's brand new, unworn. So that's good. I don't see any markings on these things, so yes, it is a dead stock sneaker. No box, but at the same time, it's still DS, so the value should still be there. Good boost to the counter over here. Really happy with this one. We're starting off strong. Okay, so now we're gonna get into the ones with boxes. This first one is a Ado Ultra Boost ADO size 11. I don't know what that means. What the heck is this thing? Is this a rare sneaker, or I don't think so. You guys can look at it over here. I mean, it is an Ultra Boost. It has that boost technology, but I have not seen this upper before. Very interesting. I mean, it's not terrible. It looks okay. So I don't think this is going for a lot of money. I have no idea what this is, but it'll be on untitledhawaii.com. Okay, so we have another Adidas box. This one is an EQT Support 9317 though, size 11. So I actually really like these EQT models. You guys can see over here. This is kind of like an infrared type of colorway, but it is a pretty unique design, and these are actually pretty comfortable shoes. However, when you guys check out those bottoms, that is a pretty dirty bottom. So yeah, heavily used, but overall the uppers and stuff look really clean. And like I've mentioned in previous videos talking about used shoes and stuff, I don't think the bottoms and stuff matter too much because nobody cares about that. You're gonna be walking on it anyway. As soon as you unds any shoe and you walk on like concrete and stuff, it could potentially look like this. So that's not too bad over there. Probably like a little over $100, I would say, on the counter. All right, next shoe out. This one is a size 12 Air Foamposite box. Ooh, okay. Cool, so this one has a life is greater than shoes Soul Supremacy sticker in here. I like that. But the shoe that we have is an Air Foamposite. I don't know what this colorway is. Cobalt, maybe? No, it's too light to be cobalt. I don't know. Anyway, you guys can check it out over here. Bottoms are used and a little bit discolored. But what year is this from? Let's see. 2015. So that's kind of a lot of discoloration actually for like only a... Wow, 2015 was 4 years ago. Okay, never mind, that's kind of old. So that's why it makes sense. But yeah, Air Foamposites, size 12. 2015 was 4 years ago, what the heck? All right, a couple more here, guys. This one, Air Jordan Dub Zero, size 12. Oh, okay. I don't like this. Has a lot of paint chipping over here. I mean, it's an old sneaker. This one looks pretty beat. That creasing is hectic over here. Bottoms, very, very dirty. A lot of star loss on the top over here. Yeah, I don't know what to say, guys. This one is from 2009, but this has never been like a top sneaker for me. If you guys love Dub Zeros, I'm sorry. It's just not a model that I personally care for. But to each their own, right? So this one will be going on the website. I don't know how to evaluate this at all. I'm gonna have to do calculations at the end because... yikes, I don't know. That's all I can say. Okay, so 2 shoes left. This is a hype one. We have a Nike Air Presto in a size 10. Size 12, sorry. It says the 10, not a size 10, size 12. Shut. Dude, what the... No way. You gotta be kidding me. This is an OG model? What? Okay, so we just hit a huge come up on this, guys. OG Prestos. I don't know why in my head I didn't even like think this was a possibility. I was thinking, okay, we got the black model or we got the white model, which is why I wasn't like really pumped. But I can't believe we got the original model. These things are crazy value, dude. And we have everything in here. It's OG all. We have the tag over here. We got all the laces. And this sneaker looks pretty darn clean, dude. Like, oh, I'm freaking out. Okay, so check this out. Air Presto Off-White, man. Very, very clean colorway over here. This is honestly the best shoe that I think came out of the 10 collection. And dude, this is in solid condition. I don't see anything wrong with this. I mean, it is used, but there's nothing crazy about it. So this is insane value, dude. Because these things have shot up in price quite a bit, man. I think the dead stock prices are like over $2 grand. But even for like the non-dead stock shoes, I think almost all of these things are going for like at least $1,000 used. Used sneakers for going over 1,000. That's how you know it's hyped. I like that, man. I like that. That's crazy. Okay, the Dub Zero is forgiven. We're good over here. But we do have one box left over here. This one, what the heck is a Jordan B Loyal, dude? I've never heard of that one. This one is in the size 12 though. I'm gonna have to research. What the, dude? Did you guys see on the camera? No way, no freaking way. Okay, so this is the Jordan Be Loyal. As you can see, clearly it's the Be Loyal model. I don't know, it's clean, I guess. Whatever, it's not that hype. This is nuts, dude. This is a Yeezy 2 Platinum. I'm sorry if you guys were confused there. Clearly not a Jordan Be Loyal, which I have no idea what that is. It was a replacement box, it looks like, but it is a pair of Yeezy 2 Platinums, dude. And this is a super clean platinum now that I'm actually looking at it. But yeah, this one is in a size 11, so okay, I can fit this. But yeah, this is like the cleanest model I've ever seen. Look at this. So it is not a dead stock sneaker. If it was a dead stock sneaker, I would have flipped my shiz. But for the most part, this is like probably the cleanest Yeezy 2 Plat I've ever seen. I don't see any damage on the uppers over here. Toe box looks clean as F. Bottoms barely worn, it looks like. That's not bad at all. And then there's no scratching or anything on the back heel over here. However, it looks like part of the issue though is that there is no lace tips on these things, so that kind of sucks, but I mean, that's at the same time not bad at all. That's okay. Additionally, there's like no bag, no box. And yeah, we're missing all the lace tips, but overall, dude, I mean, it's a freaking Yeezy 2 Plaid. I'm not gonna complain about that, dude. That is crazy. What the heck? We got that means we got a Yeezy 2 Plaid and an off-white Presto in here for $28.50. And you guys thought that that $4,000 box was gonna be crazy? This is why I mess with this company, dude. Like, there's been times, okay, that we don't get a lot of heat, you know, like, you guys have seen it. We were on a cold streak until the last box, I think, but when you buy an expensive high-tier box from Soul Supremacy or Soul Steals, in this case it was Soul Steals, the one that's open to everybody, this is the quality that I expect, man. Like, if I'm spending top dollar, like almost $3 grand on mystery sneakers, I want something crazy in the box, not a whole bunch of bricks that are supplied from a certain company on Melrose Avenue that we won't talk about anymore. $4,000 bricks. Anyway, this is what I'm talking about, man. Like, this is the third time I've opened this box, but you guys can clearly see I am very happy with this purchase. DS Yeezy Blue Tint V2. DS. No box, so that's okay. Off-White Presto OG. Yeezy 2 Platinum. And then we got a bunch of other stuff too, which is okay. That's all whatever. That's good stuff. But just those 3 shoes alone, I honestly feel like that's probably the value of the box. So that is crazy, guys. Like, I don't know how crazy the counter was over here. I'm freaking out though because I think that was a come up. Anyway, I guess I gotta start opening more boxes from Soul Steals because I wasn't expecting that, dude. Like, this is probably a top 3 for sure box that I've ever seen on the channel before. Just the Off-White Presto alone, man. I wish that was in a size 11 because I could keep that. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that Yeezy 2 Platinum yet. But yeah, that might be on the website, might not be. If you guys want to check it out, untitledway.com. Be sure to check out Soul Steals as well. I'll link them down there. I'm going to be trying my best to get more beater boxes from the Soul Steal website as well as the Soul Supremacy website. So if you guys are interested in those, I would highly recommend you guys check that link as well. Anyway, if you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe down below. If you guys enjoyed this video and you guys want to see more of these high tier crazy beater boxes from Soul Supremacy and SoulSteals.com, then don't forget to hit that like button as well. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. I will see you guys on the next video. Aloha. Shoots!